welcome back to my channel. So we actually have a big project ahead of us today because today's Christmas and I was just gifted a new bookshelf, and that means that we're going to be building a bookshelf. We're going to be setting up, reorganizing all of my books. But before we can even do any of that, I actually need to rearrange my room because the current setup that I have, I cannot fit another bookshelf anywhere in my room. So we're gonna need to do some rearranging, and that's the first thing I want to do. I want to just like have everything in place so that I can build the bookshelf and then just like put it right in its spot. So quickly, I just want to give you like a little run through of what my room looks like currently. So I have my big long tall bookshelf here, and these are the books that are actually gonna go on my new bookshelf. And then I have my romance and general fiction, literary fiction shelf that will probably stay the same, and the new bookshelf is the same exact bookshelf as this bigger one. And then I want to put the other bookshelf, the new one, directly next to it with all of those books from the tall bookshelf. But in order to do that, I need to move my vanity over to the other wall and move my mirror and the little shelf over onto this side. So literally, I redid my room like 2 years ago. Everything has stayed in the exact same place since then. This is gonna be my first time moving anything, and so I'm not sure how it's gonna look. I don't know if this setup is going to be okay in my head or actually look good to the eye, but it might like just have to happen because I don't have anywhere else to put these shelves. Without further ado, let's get moving this stuff. Also, I'm currently in this sweatshirt and these like Christmas pajama pants. I already know that I'm gonna be changing into like a t-shirt and shorts in like 15 minutes, but we're gonna stick this out because it's Christmas and I'm cozy. But oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Like, I think I should start probably by taking the books off of the skinny shelf and then like getting that shelf out of here probably. I don't know. Let's just start. Why did I? Oh my god, the whole thing is breaking. The whole thing is falling apart. My entire Emerald City Lego set just fell apart. Okay, so I've officially moved everything around. This is definitely gonna take some getting used to. Just the vanity part especially, because it looks really crammed and just different, and especially back in that corner, it just looks a little crammed. But like, I could probably move that a little bit and then try to scoot things down a little bit, but I think it's just gonna take some getting used to just because like it's just in a different spot. But I also moved my mirror over here, which I kind of like because now my mirror has better lighting, and then now I have the room to put the other bookshelf right here. And I kind of do like having my romance shelf like towards the outside just because like it's full and it'll be more full than the other one, I think. So I don't know, I think I like having the romance, like the brighter colors on the outside. So I'm gonna put, once I build this, because that's next, we're gonna put that there and then we'll scoot this in if there's room. But look how many books I'll have to put on that new shelf. Plus I think I'm also probably gonna put my Throne of Glass books on there as well, even though I haven't read them yet, and that's kind of like a no-no usually for me. Like, I usually hate mixing my TBR with like my normal shelf, but I don't know, I think I might have to. I'm just so excited. I love reorganizing my books, and it's been a while since I've had a new shelf to do it with. I am out of breath from moving my vanity and everything, and I did have to rehang these up, and they're not straight whatsoever. and it's gonna bother me until I fix them, but do I feel like fixing them right now? Absolutely not. I really just want to build this shelf, and yeah, I'm already out of breath and I'm sweating a little bit, so you may see an outfit change halfway through this, but let's get to building this new bookshelf. Okay, so my other shelf is officially built, and I just transferred some of the Legos from here over there. And you guys, I honestly can't even remember what this Lego set looked like when it was fully perfectly done, because the amount of times that pieces have fallen off and I just don't know where to put them. I don't remember their places, and I think literally some have fallen and like they've landed like under my bed and just in places that I'll never see them ever again. So this this Lego set does not even look correct. Like, it's definitely not the way that it's supposed to be. Like, what went here? Because I know that it did not look like that before. I don't know, but I put just some Legos here, and then I honestly really like that now I have more space for them, because they were starting to feel a little cramped all on one. And so now I just have more room to add some more over here. But now's the fun part. Now we're gonna put some books on there, but I just noticed that like it is a lighter shade, like a little bit. It's a tiny bit lighter, which just means that like IKEA stopped selling the shade of brown this one is, because I went on their website and like I got the lightest one that they had, and that was this one. Like the one that I thought was this turned out to be this, which means that they don't have this one anymore, if that makes sense. But it's okay, because it's not even that big of a difference. Like, you can really hardly tell. But now's the fun part. Now we're going to put all of my books on here, and like I said, I am going to put the Throne of Glass books on here as well. And so I think I'm going to start with my fantasy, maybe do like a little romantasy shelf at the top. All of my fantasy books up here, and then it kind of continues right here with the Fourth Wing series, and like I don't know if I really like having these books with these 5 like Hunger Games series, because they're just not in the same realm at all. Like, they're just not. Obviously, like, yeah, there's romantic elements in here, but it's not a romantasy the way that like ACOTAR is. But I haven't read this yet, so I don't know if this is really considered romantasy yet, but this is just how I have it now, just because I don't have much fantasy, and so it really only needs to take up one and like a little bit of another shelf. I don't know if I really like this. I think I might need to switch this around a little bit, because then it gets into my young adult and then it gets into my Stephen King, and so it's just not really fitting in my head very well. But at the same time, I think I literally just have to work with what I have, because I really have no other choice but to put it right here next to each other, because obviously the goal someday will have my own Stephen King shelf, he'll have his own shelf, young adult will have its own shelf, and then romantasy will all be together. But obviously that's just not what's gonna happen right now, so we're just having to deal with this. So now I have a lot of Frida McFadden books, which again, someday she'll have her own shelf, but right now I think I'm gonna just like start putting them here and then fill in all the rest of my thrillers where they fit at the top and the bottom. Why am I low-key realizing that like I'm not gonna have any room to like put books that I read? Like I'm filling up this shelf right now and it's like, what am I gonna do once I finish other books? Like I haven't even put all the books that I've read so far yet on the shelf, but this I'll show you guys like in a little bit, but like there is more room. I'm kind of feeling like I could eventually put that other shelf back in here, the tall one that I had, to put like, I don't know, just like runoff books, other books. I don't know. I'm like, this is filling up so much more than I expected. Like I thought that I would have at least one entire shelf empty. No. Okay, so this is what the final product is looking like, and there are some adjustments that are gonna be needing to be made here, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm tired and it's Christmas and I don't feel like doing this anymore. Now let's go to my new shelf and I'll kind of like show you guys how I set everything up again. So we have my ACOTAR series, my Throne of Glass series, and I do plan on reading this series really soon, so that's why I'm okay with putting it on here. And then my Hunger Games series, Divine Rivals, my Empyrean series, my Jennifer Lynn Barnes, and this kind of like this whole section right here. Actually, this one is an adult thriller, but most of these are all young adult books, and then just some random other thrillers here, and then my entire Frida McFadden section. And hey, this is actually isn't even all of the Frida McFadden books that I have read. I just don't own all of them. So, and then I just have like literally just some other random thrillers, and then we get into my Stephen King, and I could fit like one more book will fit on this shelf, and then one more book will fit on this top one. But like I was saying before, I can definitely move either these down this way a little bit, or move these back to where like the little outlet is, and then I could fit the other one in here. I didn't realize it was going to be that possible once I moved my vanity over to the other wall, but I could totally move it back in here eventually, which is such good news because obviously I'm gonna need it. And then maybe I'll make it like a fantasy romantasy shelf in itself, because if I'm gonna be reading more fantasy, then it might be necessary to make it its own shelf, or like, I don't know, a young adult shelf, a freaking Frida McFadden shelf. She's gonna need her own shelf, so I don't know. I'm literally sweating and I'm so out of breath. It was not the best idea to be wearing what I'm wearing and doing this, and I feel like I've been doing this for like, yeah, like 2 hours now, a little over 2 hours. That's a little crazy. So I'm honestly really happy with the way that it all turned out, and when in the future I do move that other shelf back in here, I will include it in some sort of video, so you won't miss out on that. But as of right now, this is how I'm gonna leave it, and I'll just try to read some more romance or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to like fit books in somewhere. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys so soon. Bye guys.